This is Orange Blossom Realty, Inc. They've been using our WP Easy website builder since 2013. And as you can see, their website was a little dark. They were using one of our 1.0 website builder themes. So it was time for a migration to our 2.0 website builder and a little bit of a refresh. So we took this dark, drab website and turned it into something spectacular. Let me show you how. First, we changed our theme to a 2.0 theme. All of our current themes are 2.0. So to migrate your website, all you'll need to do is change your theme. Once you change your theme, as you can see here, all of the content is still intact. All you'll need to do is append the page to make it look more like the theme. In this video, we're just going to update the home page, but as you can see, we have other page templates for other pages like the About page and the Contact page and others. We might not have one for every page you create, but we do have one for most, and I highly recommend following these instructions for all of your pages. Once you've appended the page, then you just delete the old content. So when we append the page, it puts all the sample data at the bottom of the page. And so now all we have to do is change the sample data for our own data, which you see me doing here. So instead of the Grow Business, I'm putting Orange Blossom Realty. And the next thing we'll do is we'll change the subheading below it. So we're just going to take Mr. Chuck's name there, and then we'll exchange the sample data for his name as our subheading here. There we have it. And so the next thing we want to do is to update the information in the next section. We're going to take out the sample data and we're going to put Mr. Chuck's information. And so we're just going to place this little header here. And right now the text isn't showing up because the text needs to be changed to a black. We're going to change the size of the text, and we're going to change, actually we're not going to change it to a black. We're going to take this orange color that's a part of our theme, and we're going to change this header here to a nice orange color, and that will make that look very nice. There we have it. We're resizing, and as you can see, you can simply edit all of your text right here in our little text editor. So the next thing we want to grab is this information that was on his front page and exchange this information here. So we're taking away the sample data, and now we need to change this sample photo for Mr. Chuck's photo. There we have it, a nice photo. So this photo is a little square, and we have a lot of other things on the side that we don't really need to show. So we're changing it to a portrait shape. And so now let's see what else. Now we need to grab the rest of the content here, and we're going to grab a column or a text editor and place it inside of this column. And we're going to make sure we paste that information, change the color to black, make sure it's a size 18 font. That's the size we want the body for all of our website. And so now that we're sure we have all of the information that was on his original page, now we can go back into our page builder and we can simply delete the old content that was there by clicking the X on that column. And now we're going to update the rest of the information on this page template. So what we want to do is we want to go to his review page and we want to copy this information. And do you see how it's one big long page? What we want to do is we want to showcase these testimonials on his front page. But instead of having long content, all we'll need to do is place a testimonial module on the front page where we can showcase all the different testimonials without having to continue to scroll down to read each one. The testimonial module allows you to read multiple testimonies in one small space. It'll put them in a slider, which you can either manually advance to the next testimony or just wait to the slider to advance on its own. And you can set the speed of the testimonies. The next area we need to work on is below, and we just want to exchange the sample data for our own information that matches our business. So I'm just going to take out what's there. I'm going to paste a new little saying there, and I'm going to keep the Let's Talk. That Let's Talk is a link that goes directly to our Contact Us page. And so another really cool thing I want to show you is this section is looking a little bit bland, so I want to dress it up a bit. So let me show you something really neat. When we go to our dashboard and go to media, if we hover over media, we can get to instant images. And so since this is Orange Blossom Realty after all, I'm going to look for some oranges to use as a backdrop for our testimonial area. So you can scroll down, as you can see, if you type in what you wanted to find, and there are loads of photos to choose from. Once you find the photo that you like, you simply click on it and it will download it directly to your media library. So now we're going back to our home page, clicking on our wrench for that section, and we're telling the background to not be a color, but to be a image. And so we simply put that image in there, but then I'm going to add a little bit of a color overlay using the same orange color that we used throughout our theme. And then I'm just going to make it a little bit transparent so that we can see the oranges, but so that the oranges don't take over and you're not able to see the text. So do you remember what their old website looked like? It was very dark. There's only one small photo in the top right corner. All of the pages had different colored text on them, and the background of the theme was black and dark. Now they have a nice, bright, beautiful website with a sunny cityscape of the Tampa Bay area, which is the area that he services, and a lovely photo of Mr. Chuck. All of his content is still there. That was from his other website. We didn't touch his content. We simply migrated his website to a brand new 2.0 theme. So if you're still hesitant about migrating your 1.0 website, I hope this video gives you the courage to make the switch. Thank you again for using our WP Easy website builder. Remember, it's WordPress made easy.